Ever since I was a youngin', I hear music, man, I love it. Bought a tape recorder and put my favorite songs in order. Listened to them till I learned them, now I'm on it like I want it. Did a talent show on Friday and plays on Sunday morning. Man, this music make me feel like I ain't never felt before. Then a few years later, developed my own flow. My name was Snoop. Then it went to Doggy Dog. And then I had a chance to rap in front of all of y'all. I made the most out my moment, survived through the components. Now I'm all over the world with my bone up on it. Now here we go again, sipping on some more again. I'm in the pocket like Brady, about to throw it in. Dance in the end zone, fist to the skin side. Here with my folks, so I guess I survive. See, I'ma do what I'm supposed to do. Making noise with my boys, yeah, the coach, your crew, yeah. I'ma do what I'm supposed to do. I'm making noise with my boys, yeah, coach, your crew. Dig it? Soul survivors, only the strong survive.
I was trying to make it, hoping that my dreams come true. Working on it night and day. I'm just trying to find my way. And we all trying to chase something great. And we all trying to be something great. I was 17 when my granny bought me my first microphone and a karaoke. She told me chase that dream and you'll never owe me. Every day I chase that dream cause it's never over. Young or older, flawed or perfect. No matter how you feel, it's always worth it. Put on a show until they close the curtain. Chase the dream, even moments that you feel uncertain. I almost died as a baby, almost died in that car crash. The present is unnerving when you come from a hard past. But it's a gift though, I always stand tall like I'm 6'4". And I've been on the grind from the get-go. I'll hit a home run, whether it's fast or they pitch slow. I'm living in the moment is all we get, yo. And never take it for granted. Go and get it every second you grant it. Yeah. I was trying to make it, hoping that my dreams come true. Working on it night and day. I'm just trying to find my way. And we all trying to chase something great. And we all trying to be something
coming
great.
From the block, I mean stuck in them cop cars. Alcohol and drugs, it made me feel like a rock star. Breakfast in the morning was a soup or a Pop-Tart. Showers in the hydrant, then it's back to the front yard. I started with the Harbor King and now I'm making a prince. Fell off on the other side, but now I'm back on the fence. Ain't no staring in my whip, I'm going black with the tents. Cause I ain't trying to chase $1, doesn't make any sense. I'm fascinated with the life these rappers living through. Contemplated my next move up in my living room. Circle small, I keep no suckers in my inner crew. Water full of sharks, I keep no guppies in my swimming pool. This is celebration, bitch, it's legendary. And I'm in love, I'm fucking bitches all through February. So when I die, just put my name, the best to ever do it. And you ain't gotta say a thing, just let them hear the music.
I was trying to make it, hoping that my dreams come true. Working on it night and day. I'm just trying to find my way. And we all
this is like a little salad situation here. So it's got ground turkey, cucumber, radish, mixed greens, sunflower seeds. Oh, and I've got like some bell pepper and red onion that I cooked in there with it.